Very good. Now, the last question, a 25-year-old patient after head trauma presented to the emergency room on neurological examination. He was found to a normal handwriting and could copy shape of the object but could not speak. So, which type of aphasia is this? Which type of aphasia is this? He understand, he copy also, but he cannot speak. What is the answer? This is the last question for the day. Wernicke's aphasia, Broca's aphasia, conducting aphasia. Broca's aphasia. Okay. So let me discuss in just 2 minutes. Broca's area is located where? What is the location of Broca's area? What is the location of Broca's area? Broca's area is located where? Inferior frontal gyrus. And this is the area which is important for word formation. It is important for what? Word formation. And if this area is not working properly, fluency will be lost. Fluency will be lost. It is why it is called as non-fluent aphasia. Patient is non-fluent. He cannot speak. Understand everything, but speak nothing. समझेगा सब कुछ. Because Wernicke's area is okay. He understands everything, but cannot speak. It is called as Broca's aphasia, doctor. Second is Wernicke's aphasia. What is the location of Wernicke's area? What is the location of Wernicke's area? Superior temporal gyrus, and the function is understanding, comprehension. It is the dictionary in your brain. Understanding, comprehension. It is your comprehension. Comprehension. It is for your understanding. And if there is Wernicke's aphasia, he or she can speak fluently but cannot understand anything. Okay, so understanding is gone, but fluency is maintained. So this is called as fluent aphasia. Fluent aphasia. Okay, he can speak fluently but no comprehension. He cannot understand what you are saying. No understanding. No understanding, no comprehension. Now the third is anomic aphasia. The most common is called as anomic aphasia. What is the problem here? Who will tell me? What is the problem with anomic aphasia? Anomic aphasia is due to lesion of what? Yes, Sahil? Where is the lesion? Yes, Aditya Gupta? Awesome Blossom, yes, anyone? Where is the lesion? Lesion कहाँ है? Angular gyrus. Lesion, very good. Lesion is at the level of angular gyrus. And he can see, whenever I see something, it get to my visual cortex, then to the angular gyrus, and then to the Wernicke's area for understanding. If you are seeing me, it is going to your retina, then your cortex, then angular gyrus, and then to Wernicke's area. Wernicke's area is a decoding area where decoding is happening. Whenever I say something, it goes to your temporal cortex, then goes to Wernicke's area for understanding. If I am speaking English, you understand. If I speak Hindi, you can understand. If I suppose I speak some other language, you don't understand because Wernicke's area does not have a dictionary for that. Okay. So if there is lesion of angular gyrus, understanding of oral language will be okay, but written language cannot be understood. Written language, because if I write something, it goes to your eyes, to the angular gyrus, to the Wernicke's area, but angular gyrus is not working properly. If I say stand up, you follow the command. But if I write something, you say, what is this? I don't understand. If I say this is an apple, okay, I say, what is this? You will see this is an apple, but you cannot name it, because problem is with the vision. You can see it, it can go to the cortex, but not to the vernix area. So you cannot name something. It is called as anomic aphasia. The most common variety is anomic aphasia. You can understand everything, but you cannot name. It is called as anomic aphasia. So I will not take much of your time. This is it for today. And if you want, just tell me if you want any other class for any other topic you want, or any other previous year MCQ you want. Okay, or just give me all MCQ which you have doubt. I will collect those MCQ and I will make a separate session for that, or any topic you want. So this is for today's session. I hope there is no doubt in this. And sorry for my bad throat today. I was not feeling good. So thanks everyone. I am going to stop the streaming. Image based you want, Dr. Sailesh? Okay. Okay, well done. So thank you, Awesome Blossom. Everyone, thanks a lot. So just, you want a level high or a, okay, one clinical question, so I will make one more session. Sure. Thank you. Thanks a lot.